My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Wsuu. Wsuu is a ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. And my video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to get your data protected. Now, before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Then, of course, very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware encrypts files and damages the files considerably. So it's not possible then to use these files anymore. And by the way, this ransomware is called Wsuu because it actually encrypts files and appends this Wsuu extension additionally to the file names. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data and this Wsuu extension is appended. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom isn't a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay that ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start the program and begin researching your computer. It is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your computer. Most likely it will first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks, but it doesn't decrypt files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which is a much better solution for getting your data protected. Also, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the files.